Alrighty guys, this is the Duraflame electric space heater. As you can see, it is not like your traditional space heater. This one mimics the look of a classic wood-burning stove. That's really what caught my eye about this one. I needed a space heater for the house I'm living in and didn't want to go with a traditional just plastic one and wanted something that blended in a little bit more with the style of my home. So I was really excited when I found this one. What's great about it is that it has this handy little remote so you can control it from far away. If you turn it on from here, you can see it also mimics the look of an actual fire. And it gets even better with these different fire settings. So there's 5 different flame settings that mimic different types of fires. So each one gets a little bit lighter. I think this is the lightest one. And then there's one with 0 flame. So if it's in a bedroom, you're trying to go to sleep and you don't want any light from it, you can just have it on this. And no light will be coming out of it, just heat. On the opposite, you can also just use the fire setting and no heat. If you just want a little bit of ambiance, a little bit of mood lighting, you can just kind of use it as a light. You can also, from this remote, control temperature and timers. So I think you have the capability to set timers for 30 minutes all the way up to 4 hours. Another thing that's great about this space heater is that it doesn't have an automatic turn off, which a lot of the smaller space heaters do. So if you're looking for something that will stay on all day or stay on throughout the night, this one is great for that. And lastly, if you are someone like me that loses little remotes easily, you can also control all of the settings directly on the space heater here. So you can see controlling the flames. We can also control temperatures. If I want it to go up a little bit more, and that's the highest setting there, and it goes all the way down to 62. So yeah, it is a great little thing, and it was my best friend all winter. Check it out.